Eufy security cameras are a dependable and effective solution to monitor your home or company. With high-quality video and audio capabilities, these cameras can capture clear footage of any activity within their range. There are many products available to choose from Eufy security cameras, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. After an extensive investigation, I discovered that these products benefit people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Number 1, Eufy Security S220 Indoor Cam. The Eufy Security S220 Indoor Cam is a Wi-Fi plug-in camera that supports human and pet AI, voice assistance, night vision, and motion tracking. It captures important events in up to 2K resolution and connects to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa, giving you total control over your monitoring. The camera will automatically track and follow any moving object, and you can interact in real time using the built-in two-way audio. Best feature: records relevant events in up to 2K clarity. Connects to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Automatically tracks and follows any moving object. Built-in two-way audio for real-time communication. Includes human and pet AI, voice assistant compatibility, night vision, and motion tracking. Number 2, Eufy Security S220 Solo Cam. The Eufy Solo Cam is a bullet security camera that uses solar charging to provide continuous power. Its 2K resolution and f/1.6 aperture enable superb day and night vision. The camera's wire-free design and straightforward installation make it easy to place anywhere with a single hole. The AI-powered person detection function notifies you of any activity in your yard, including family members, couriers, and strangers, and may be linked to Homebase 3 for individual facial recognition. The Eufy Solo Cam, which includes on-device storage and AI, offers total security and transparency without any monthly fees or hidden charges. Best feature: solar charging. Easy installation. Human detection. Number 3, Eufy Security S330 Floodlight Cam 2 Pro. Eufy Security's S330 Floodlight Cam 2 Pro is a hardwired, weatherproof dome surveillance camera with 360-degree pan and tilt coverage, 2K Full HD, 3000 lumens, smart illumination, and on-device AI subject lock and tracking. It has 3 adjustable light panels that vary spotlight color, temperature, and brightness based on dawn and sunset, schedules, and motion sensing. When the on-device AI detects a human, it locks, tracks, and records the subject. The 3000 lumen super bright motion-activated floodlights prevent intruders while providing detailed, full-color recordings even at night. Best feature: 360-degree pan and tilt coverage. 2K Full HD. Smart lighting with 3 tunable light panels. AI subject lock and tracking. 3000 lumen super bright motion-activated floodlights. Number 4, Eufy Security S220 Indoor Cam 2 Cam Kit. The Eufy Security S220 Indoor Cam 2 Cam Kit is a plug-in camera that supports Wi-Fi, human, and pet AI, and motion detection. It contains on-device AI that records just when an event of interest happens and can record in up to 2K resolution. The camera is compatible with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa, giving you total control over your monitoring. It can pan the lens 360 degrees horizontally and tilt it 96 degrees vertically to provide a good view of the whole space. It also includes a built-in two-way audio system that allows you to interact in real time with anyone who walks by. Best feature: on-device AI records only when an event of interest occurs. Records in up to 2K clarity. Can be connected to Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa. Pan the lens 360 degrees horizontally or tilt it 96 degrees vertically. Built-in two-way audio system to communicate in real time. Number 5, Eufy Security Solo Indoor Cam C24 2 Cam Kit. The Eufy Security Solo Indoor Cam C24 2 Cam Kit consists of dome security cameras that provide clear 2K clarity, 1080p with HomeKit, human, and pet AI, built-in two-way audio, and enhanced night vision capabilities. It enables you to speak in real time with everyone who passes by using the camera's two-way audio and offers a clever connection with Apple HomeKit, Google Assistant, or Amazon Alexa for total control over your monitoring. Best feature: instantly determines whether a human or pet is present within the camera's view. Provides clear 2K clarity, 1080p with HomeKit, and advanced night vision for a better view of your home. Allows real-time communication with anyone who passes via the camera's built-in two-way audio. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.